Okay, 360 step around. This is what it looks like. So I step around 360 degrees, just like the name says. So it's a lot like a lunge or a wide-legged squat. So I'll show you what I mean. So the inside arm is high, and I'm always gonna be on the balls of my feet. It helps me rotate on the ground. So when I come around, I face the pole and grab my hand at chest height. So you can see that I'm in kind of a lunge position with my legs. So my knee starts to turn out, and now I have this open knee, and it's like a one-legged squat. Breathe and bend the knee so I get nice and low, and then swing the other leg around in a circle, stand up through the opposite leg. So I'm taking the swinging leg and replacing it with the leg that I'm standing on, if that makes sense. So here's my standing leg, here's my swinging leg. Swing it out, step down, release the leg I'm standing on to swing around. So when I say swing around, I mean follow a circular path with your leg. So the leg on the outside is gonna circle around in a big wide circle, step down, and then the trailing leg finishes off that circle. So if I had little markers on my toes, I would have drawn a big circle around the pole. So remember, one key thing is to activate your core and make sure you're externally rotated, your bicep is lifted, and you're pulling down, squeezing through your lats. So the upper arm is active, your core is active, and you're gonna get low. So your knee bends, almost like you're gonna sit in a chair. Step down, wide-legged squat to a one-legged squat. Try it on both sides of the body. Yeah, and then when you're feeling real fancy, one-handed. All right, that's your step around 360.